What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? It's your girl TinaBlingz and we back again with a waxing vlog. Welcome back, sis, for another one. Today we are doing a good old mustache wax, and of course it's about time for them armpits to be waxed again. So stay tuned and get your wax kit out because I'm gonna teach you some tips and tricks on how to do your waxes quick and flawlessly. This is for beginners and maybe for the pros too. You might learn something, so stay tuned. Let's get waxing. Alright, sis, so we're using the same wax machine and we're using the same wax beads like in my other videos. If you didn't see those videos, go check them out. I'll link them all down below where I have like a whole waxing series on different parts of the body. And yes, I didn't forget, sis, I will still be getting the chocolate wax. So if you're waiting for that chocolate wax, comment down below Coco, and I know that you are one of the ones that's waiting for me to finish the arm waxing video. If you didn't see the first one, go watch that one where I did the arm waxing with the same wax that we're using today. But I prefer using the chocolate wax, so I didn't order actually I did order the chocolate wax, but it got lost in shipment, so I never reordered it. So but I do want to do it because my arms, I still haven't waxed my arms since then. This one is like, you know, growing back, but this one is so hairy. Like, I'm dedicated to this, so don't think, you know, I'm not trying to show you a full one. I have a lot of hair on this arm, so good thing it's quarantine. So let's get this started. We're gonna start off with our underarms. I'm using my pre-wax that comes with the kit. Everything will be linked in the description below. The stretch some more so you see the arm, the hair. Let's get rid of that because that's not cute. So grab your pre-wax, spray, rub it in. I like to let it dry. I don't know, I like to blow on it. That's what she said. Oh, it's nice and hot. I was letting it sit for like a good minute. So grab your wax, cool it off. I do the little spinner method. And now it's time to apply. Ooh, damn. Hopefully this wax is not too hot. It's real liquidy. So we cover the whole underarm. My family is in the back, you know, they're living their best life. Oh my God. Can I be great? So what we're gonna do is grab a nice little grip all over. Oh, this is gonna rip up nice. And rip. Whoops. Rip in an upward motion. Damn. Woo! Scream if you want. Fuck. Oh, child. There's so much hair on this. I don't even wanna. Oh. So, did we get it all? No, we have to go back in. So let me grab the wand again. Blow it off. I like to do this to like kind of cool it down. I don't know if it really works, but I mean, I guess so. Damn, this wax is really hot. That's why it's kind of thin. So you want to kind of apply it twice so you have a good, damn. Ooh, ooh. That's why I'm kind of like going back and forth and making sure it's a nice thick layer because you want it to take all the hair off in one rip. So this is not a one rip. This is normally my one rip arm. I don't know why I get more hair on my left than my right. That's weird. So let's rip. Ooh, that was clean. Rip, rip, baby. All right. Ooh, like that is done. I don't think that's hair. Oh no, you can just pick that off. It doesn't hurt. All right, so we're done with the first arm. Let's apply some after wax, which is oil. You can use your favorite oil. You don't have to use after wax. I don't feel like it's necessary because this is literally just different oils mixed up in a convenient little spray bottle. Shout outs to y'all. All right, back at it again. Grab your pre-wax. Get your underarm spray up in.
Who's next? Go, 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 go.
Look at tacos. Who's next? Oh my God. Who's next to get waxed?
I waxed already.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna make tacos.
Ooh, but not. Get out of here. I want them vegan tacos.
Oh yeah, they're vegan tacos.
We don't want it. They don't. My audience don't even want it either. All right. So apply your wax. This is kind of messy today. It's only really messy because the wax is really hot and it's thin. So that's why it looks kind of crazy. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, I be trying to be, you know, profesh and all together and all that jazz, but yeah, whatever. Ooh, 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 ooh. So I covered the whole surface. You know what? Since it's thinner, I just noticed this. It's like I just had an epiphany. I need to go to Tiffany. Fendi, all my slippers and my cookies over slippery. Like, when it's thinner, it do apply more evenly. I feel like it applies a little bit more evenly. Like, it doesn't have problem with spreading, even like layering it. I don't know. It's just something I just noticed this now. But it is it's a different color. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. It's just weird. It's ready. Make sure it's nice and dry fully before you go out and rip. See? Oh no, that shit hurt. Ooh! That! I feel like I got shot. Alright. So, that is a full rip. Those are all the pores. And as you can see, it's nice and clean. Clean, clean, clear, under control. What was that commercial? Clean, clear, under control. That was like back early 2000s. Grab your pre-wax. Grab your after wax, which is just oil, and apply. Remember, sis, do not share your wax with nobody, alright? If you are double dipping and dipping and dipping and do, don't share it with your homegirl because that's nasty. I dip in my wax because it's mine, so I don't have no problem with catching something for myself. I'm just joking. Don't take it so seriously. So, next, we're going to the mustache. Next, we're going to the mustache. Y'all know how I feel about my mustache, but it has to get done because it's not cute. So, pre-wax. I need to put this a little bit close and then like do one of these because the first time I got this, I sprayed it on my child. I don't know why, I just sprayed it on my face like a psychopath. And yeah, it was everywhere. It was in my mouth. I couldn't get the taste out. It was just bad. Let's switch up the popsicle sticks. Now, I do change the popsicle sticks if I move into different parts of the body. And I change my popsicle stick if I feel like it's necessary. If it's too much wax build up on your popsicle stick, it's fine. But if your popsicle stick looks like this, you could still go at it, you know, on yourself. You could still go at it on yourself, not on everybody else. So, we're gonna move on to the mustache. I got my little medium-sized popsicle stick. And, no, I shouldn't do that. I just exposed myself. My mustache is not too crazy. It's kind of light, so which is kind of a good thing. All right, and our wax is a little bit thicker, which is a great thing. Let's split it up. Let's split up our mustache into 4 quadrants. We're gonna have the 2 right here and then 2 on the side. If you're risky and you want to get all the way in there, do it. But the hair is not too crazy right there, so I'm not gonna mess with it because I don't want the hair to keep on growing back, and I gotta keep on waxing it because it hurts like hell. So with your wax. Oh yeah, it's something about this wax being a little bit hotter that it just applies way more easier. Or maybe I mixed 2 waxes together. I had a previous wax in there that was like a blue bead, and then I put the black bead in it. So I don't know if it's that, but today I'm loving how my wax is applying. Oh my God. Yes, nasty. Ooh. Okay, one side done. I guess we're not gonna do the 4 quadrants because it applies so easily. So I'm just gonna do the same thing I did on this side. Whew. So have it like that. Okay, sis, it's time to rip. What I like to do sometimes is like poke my thumb out on like, I guess my cheek, just to give it some like give, and then rip. So apply pressure if it hurts. Apply your oil. Give yourself a massage because you did it, girl.
And damn, we cute, sis. We cute, sis. We cute.
I can't even see my twerk. And bam, just like that, we looking nice and cute like the baddies we are. So I hope you learned something today, sis. Don't mind the shine out on my outro. And I'll see you back again with another video with your good TinaBlingz. Let me know what y'all want me to try. Do y'all want me to try another type of wax? Do y'all want me to try another type of hair removal system? Let me know. I only know if y'all comment down below. Peace.